Hey, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video. Today we are doing something a little different. We're going to be doing some detailing on the 2022 GR86. We got this awesome package from Detail King. So we got a awesome sponge, and we got tons of spray bottles. And this enormous wash bucket from Detail King. To start off with the products we're going to use, we got the Pearl Gloss, which is an interior vinyl dressing, so it makes it nice and dark. We got the Super Blue tire dressing, the Black Cherry foaming wash and shine, so that's going to be our soap. We got more plastic vinyl cleaner, the Pink Power. Got some Citrus Clean wheel cleaner, which smells really good. And then here we have some Crisp RTU, which is a glass cleaner. And then we got some tire cleaner. We have so many different bottles. We also got some Gloss and Glide detail spray. So here's all the different products we got. We got our bucket, our mitt, and a huge drying towel from Detail King. Very excited to try these all out. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So we just started by rinsing the car off. All right, we're gonna start with some Black Cherry soap. Alright, so we went ahead and just washed off the entire car with some of that Black Cherry soap, and this stuff works amazing. We even went and did a light clean on the wheels before we use our wheel cleaner. Went ahead and rinsed off the car before we apply the rest of the products. Alright, and then this drying towel works wonders. We're just trying to dry off the windshield here, and you can see one little swipe gets every drop of water off of there. So, really recommend this drying towel. So we went ahead and used some of this tire cleaner. I didn't put it on my wheels, just the tires, because we have a separate cleaner for that. And then you scrub it in, let it sit for a couple minutes, and spray it off. And the tires look brand new. Now we're going to use the wheel and engine cleaner. And we just let that sit for a minute or two, and then we scrubbed all of that in, just so we can get all that dirt and grime off of there. And then after we rinsed it off, it literally looked like it was a brand new wheel. Never seen them that clean since I got the car. So now we got some of that super blue tire dressing to make it look shiny.
Oh my gosh, this stuff works wonders. I used one of my little just pads that I had extra, put some of that spray on there and rubbed it on, and you can already see the difference right away. Now we're going to use some of that crisp RTU glass cleaner and make our windshield nice and clean. I love myself a good glass cleaner just because, you know, that's what you're looking out of when you're driving, and if it's not clean, it really bothers me. This stuff worked really good, no streaks or anything, so very happy with that. And now we got some Pink Power plastic and vinyl cleaner. So we're just gonna be applying that to all the plastic and rubber areas around the car. There's a ton of those on this car, obviously. We got these vents up front that we can use it on, which is pretty convenient. And we got all these different spots we're gonna put it on. Even the rear diffuser that we applied it to, and it just gives it a deeper black shine. All right, once we were done with that, we went and did some interior vinyl dressing, so all the plastic on the interior that you can apply it to. So obviously we got all this around the screen. We got down by the AC vents. So in there you can use it. And then we even put it in the door panels, which is very convenient. So made the doors nice and clean. After using all our products and ending off with some detail spray, this car was looking shinier than I've ever seen. Like, this thing looks brand new again. And just very happy with how these turned out. Thanks to Detail King for sending out those products. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new here, check out Detail King in the comment section down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.